Hello, this is Moritz Scham. I'm a PhD student at the CMS group here at DESY, and I'm working on generative models for calorimeter simulation. Generative models you probably know from ChatGPT or DALL-E, where you prompt them with a text and they give you another text in the case of ChatGPT or an image in the case of DALL-E as a response. Because our detector simulation is relatively slow, we would like to have a fast generative models that we can prompt with a particle and that will tell us how the energies are deposited in the detector. All right, what we see as a similarity between the physical process of a particle shower and models like DALL-E is that we start with a small unit, so for example a single particle and a 4x4 image, and we move to a slightly bigger unit, so for example 3 particles or an 8x8 image. This is then repeated until we have the image of the required size or our full-scale particle showers in our detector. In my PhD project, I've developed an architecture called Deep Tree Gun that generates such point clouds. This is the first time that we have this physics-inspired tree-based process generating detector images.